So, Debbie, what would you say are some of the most important things to discuss with your attorney when a buyer is deciding whether or not they should buy, and maybe even whether or not they should buy this particular apartment or home that they found?
I'd probably say the two biggest things that I talk about with my clients is one, financing, whether you're making an offer all cash, whether you're making an offer contingent, or you're making an offer non-contingent on financing. What are the nuances involved? What's the risks you might be taking? Things like that. You really want to make sure that you get a grasp of before you make that offer. And then probably the second biggest thing that most clients will ask is closing costs. How much is this really going to cost me? If you're buying a co-op, the costs are significantly different than if you're buying a condo versus if you're buying new construction. So it's definitely smart to sort of maybe ask those questions in advance before you make an offer, so you know, I'm comfortable making this, I'm not comfortable making that. So those are probably the two main things. Other things that we talk about is, closing dates and
That's an important one, because everybody has a deadline, and
exactly.
Then you throw out this on or about date and they say, what does that mean? Right?
Correct, exactly. And so we'll often talk about closing dates and then just sort of what that includes, like you were saying, on or about, and what that flexibility involves. And then also I'd probably say just also the nuances about the ownership in a co-op versus a condo and how that sort of changes each other and does things like that.
Very good. Well, thank you so much. Well, thank you so much for coming, Debbie. I appreciate your time.
Thank you for having me.
And if you need to reach Debbie, how can they reach you?
Best way to reach me would be by email, and that is Deborah@Graubard-Law.com. And of course, Karen has all of my information.
Yes. All right, everyone. Well, thank you so much for watching today. And if you need to reach me or reach Debbie, we will make sure that we have all the contact information included here on the video. So have a great day, everyone. Bye.
Bye.